Welcome to GlobaWebHost, where your search for cheap, affordable, and reliable web and domain hosting ends. We are the first hosting in Nigeria to integrate Bitcoin, which means you can pay for your domain name, hosting, and any other services on this platform using Bitcoin. So the first thing we need to do in our step to register a domain in few minutes as follow. Go to login. Then you check on this account and click on register. If you are a new user, you don't have an account before you register, and within 5 minutes you get your login details. You can fill in the details as you see it on the screen. It's easy, and make sure you use a strong password for your security. So the next thing after you have registered and you have your login details is to go to the login page, which you will need to enter the email you've registered here and the password. When you enter the details, your email, then your password, remember me, you can mark this if it is your personal PC or gadget. But if you are using share PC, maybe in a cafe, it is not recommended for you to do so. And in case you do so, make sure you log out before your time elapses or before you leave the computer for another person or phone to another person for your security, so that anybody will not just go into your account. The next thing is to log in, and in case you forget your password, you can easily use forget password. So let's continue. Login. Welcome to your user dashboard. Then the next thing you need to do to register a domain, you go to this domains, click for the drop down, register a new domain. For any domain you need to register, the first step is to make sure you check the availability. That's to know either it has been taken by anyone or is still available for you to register. So the first thing you need to do is to type whatever domain, maybe .com, .net, .biz, .ng, whatever the extension you want to add. Just type and click search. Then this will search the database to tell you if it is available or not. So we search. Congratulations, GlobalWebHostDemos.net is available. So once you see this, that tells you that whatever domain you are searching for is available for you to register. So the next thing you need to do is to add to cart. But in case you see that is not available, that means you can change the extension maybe to .com, .biz, .ng or whatever to get your precise domain, or you change the domain name completely. That means it has been taken and you cannot register it again. So the next thing we need to do is add to cart. Then this changes to checkout. You click on the checkout. The next is domain configuration. This is where you configure some important information. For example, if you want to register the domain on our platform GlobaWebHost, and maybe you are having your hosting account on another platform and you want to configure the domain to work with it, maybe like Blogger and some other platform, you change it through here. But for now, you need to ignore this. Register the domain name fully first, then you can check all this and change them under the settings of the domain. So let's continue. Click continue. So the next thing is review and checkout. You will notice domain registration 5,000 naira. You can increase the year if you want. If you put it at 3 years, you can see it also updates the cart, the total checkout cart. So then you can turn it back to 1 year. So whatever year, you can add other domain or whatever you want to add hosting, and you move to the next thing. Apply promotional code, promo code. The next thing you can do here, from time to time we throw out promo codes. So if you have any of it to claim them, you just put it here for the domain and you validate the code. So you have access to a discounted total price to pay for. So we move on to the next thing, which is the order summary. So subtotal, total. So make sure you confirm this. If you notice that there is a total higher than what you see here, kindly check it well. There is every possibility while you are registering, you have selected some other services which are in your shopping cart, and once you check out, it will add them and charge your card. So to avoid charging your card of what you don't want, make sure you confirm that this that you are ready to pay for now is what you have here. So the next thing you need to do is to check out. So the next thing is to check out. Please enter your personal details and some other information. All this will be picked up from your profile after you've registered. So you can see you have the personal information, you have the billing address and the domain registrant. This is there in case you are registering for a customer and you want to use their details. When people are searching WHOST database, they should see their details. So you can change it here. As you see, you can add a new contact or use the default one if you want yours to come up. So total due today equals to 5,000 naira. So please choose your preferred method of payment. If you check through, we have like 5 different methods to make things easier for you. You can use Vogue Pay, you can use Cash Envoy, you can use bank transfer to check out, which allows you to also pay in dollars. So then you can use CoinGate, which gives the opportunity to pay in Bitcoin. So for this guide, we are using Vogue Pay. You can use any one of them. It's just the same instruction. Once you click on it, each of the payment shows you the next step to go. Follow it and it's very easy to do. So the next thing we want to do now is to continue. You can add any note you want here as additional other note. Next thing, agree the agreement. So you click on the terms of service. You can check through our terms of service. Then the next thing you need to do is to click complete order. So you can see the summary of the payment you need to make. Global Web Integrated Alliance Limited, using Vogue Pay. You have all the details here. Just make sure the total order is the amount you are being billed for the domain. So the next thing is for you to select either you are using Visa, Pay in Naira, MasterCard, or Valve, Master or Valve. So, or if you have your account funded on Vogue Pay, you can make use of it here. So the next thing you want to do now, so you can click this based on your card. We are using MasterCard, so we select that option. The next thing is your email. A receipt will be sent to you. This is very, very important. Make sure you put a correct email. So in case there's any issue pending to be resolved, you will use the information received in this email to contact our customer care. So you need to make payment now. Move on to make payments. Next thing, you need to enter your card details. As you can see, just always confirm that the amount you are paying still remains the same. The next thing, you enter your card number, the validity, that's the month of the card expiration, then the year, then your CVV, that's the number at the back of your card. It's always 3 digits. So just turn your ATM card to the back. You see the last 3 digits there. You put it here and you click pay. So you click pay. You can see it loading. You need to be patient. So it depends on your bank. For GT card users, you'll be used to this window option, which is a security measure to make sure nobody just pick your card to use it to shop. Somebody is attempting to use your card. So the next thing, let's use receive OTP through your registered phone number with that account of the card. Then you click, please check this box to indicate that you have read with agreement. So submit. Receive an OTP code, one-time password, which is 6 digits on your phone. It says, please use the OTP code. So you put in the CC on your phone as received. So then you click submit. Allow it to load depending on your network. Payment processing. Wow, congratulations, transaction approved. So as you can see it, within few seconds you'll be redirected. So welcome back. You can see your domain, one domain registered. So you click on the domain to confirm. So you have your domain registered. You can see it there. It's now active. So your domain is now online. You can use any of the tools to manage your domain. So thanks so much. That's how simple it takes to register a domain name on GlobaWebHost. So check out our hosting services and our other combo services that will make coming online and doing your business online much easier. Thanks.